Egypt is an Arabic-speaking country and a Muslim country too, and I find it all really interesting. And when I arrived here, I was like, all the Isaacers were welcoming me very kindly, and it was like very nice from them to pick me up from the airport. And when I came here to the EP house, all the other EPs like were welcoming me very, very friendly. And the best thing here I experienced was like the different countries, the different cultures from all the EPs here, because I had to learn like so much different countries to know, like for example Estonia, England, Hungary, Russia, Ukraine. And the other thing was the work with the children in the kindergarten. It was like really, really cool, and it was a really cool experience for me to work with children from 2 to 5 and to teach them English and a little bit of French